Sort words into categories. There are words that belong to a group of things that are the same as they are. Let's look at some examples of words that belong in the same group with each other. Dinner, all the things you might eat for dinner. Dessert. Toys. Clothing. Farm animals. And those are different from wild animals. Choose the word that is not like the others. Pig, shirt, chicken, or cow. Shirt is not like the others. That's not a farm animal. Choose the word that is not like the others. Hot dog, hamburger, cake, or steak. Cake is not like the others. You would not eat a cake for dinner. And that is how you put objects into categories.